How's it going over there? I got some things you wanna hear. It's been a while since we split. I've been trying to forget.
So we just went to dinner in Reykjavik. This is our first meal, I guess really of the day. We made some eggs at home, but we didn't get a chance to eat lunch just because we were racing to the airport. And we went to this beautiful fish and chips place right there called Reykjavik Fish and Chips. And my brother actually found us a restaurant called Icelandic Fish and Chips, which is right there. That's where we went. That's where we were supposed to go.
I've been trying to forget. I'm not like you left me. I'm not saying sorry. Come down off your pedestal, baby.
We started our first hike in Iceland, and it's already pretty intense. We're actually on an island just off the coast of Iceland. And you can actually see behind me, this is the town here. And then this is actually the volcano on the island, which erupted in 1973. And actually leveled, I guess, half of the houses on this island. So it has a lot of history behind it. But apparently this island is full of puffins. And so that's actually why we came here. So we're really excited to be able to see those birds because, you know, an incredibly different species of bird. I'm not a huge bird enthusiast, but every time you see something incredibly different and unique, it's a really cool experience. And so to be able to combine the hiking and to be able to see something like that is gonna be really cool. So I am about halfway up the slope now. As you can see, things get a little bit vertical going below me. My dad ended up staying behind. I don't want to take my hand off this rope here because things are probably maybe 50, 60 degree vertical right now. And you can see things just keep going straight up from here. So hopefully I'm gonna summit soon, but it's been a fun hike so far. It's definitely the most intense. Alright, so let's keep going. Chris got some rocks in his shoes. He's fixing things up. But it was a good hike. Definitely a little bit sweaty. I took my hat off because it was getting a little bit hot. So I changed to the earplugs to keep the ears warm.
I've been trying to forget. I'm not like you left me. I'm not saying sorry.
We crashed the drone, so that's gonna be an interesting story for sure. 2 of the motors are jammed. The gimbal's okay, so that's definitely a good sign and a little bit of good news to hear. But I guess when you're trying to get the shot, sometimes you risk it, and it doesn't always pay off. So we're hoping Iceland is a place for droning. 5 hours later, we found the puffins, and it is glorious. We can't actually see any up close, but they're all over this cliffside here, and you can see they actually have a distinctive flight pattern to them. So like that one right there, right here, that's a puffin. That's a seagull.
I got some things you wanna hear. It's been a while since we split. I've been trying to forget. I'm not like you left me. I'm not saying sorry. Come down off your pedestal, baby. Maybe we can keep it a secret.
So we made it into the canyon. A little wet, but it's not too bad and definitely worth the views.
How's it going over there? I got some things you wanna hear. It's been a while since we split. I've been trying to forget.
So this is what happens when you cross a river and the water's too high for your boots.
I'm not like you left me. I'm not saying sorry.
That's not what I was planning.
I got some things you wanna hear. It's been a while since we split. I've been trying to forget. I'm not like you left me. I'm not saying sorry. Come down off your pedestal, baby. Maybe we can keep it a secret. Keep me a secret. Will you keep me a secret? Between us, between us, between us, I can't keep a secret.
So we're at Waterfalls. I don't know if I'm saying that right at all, but it's one of the really famous waterfalls here in Iceland. And it's the one that you can actually go behind. And it's so cool. All of the mist starts swirling, so I'm actually getting hit by so much water right now. But you can just hear how powerful it is and how cool this place is. It's so green. It's so incredible. This is a pretty amazing experience. Take a look at this.
Well, what do you think, George?
Pretty crazy.
I tend to agree. Let's abandon ship. Abandon ship.
So this is a good start to the morning. I'm a little wet, a little cold, but it's all worth it.
How's it going over there? I got some things you wanna hear. It's been a while since we split. I've been trying to forget. I'm not like you left me. I'm not saying sorry.
So we just got to our final hike in Iceland, and the final hike for the entire trip, and it's raining. As you can see, the windshield's a little bit wet right now. It's kind of on and off, but it's a 3.5 hour, 4 hour hike, so things will get a little bit wet. Thankfully, I do have my rain poncho that I got from my mom in Positano, so thank you, Mom. That's gonna be a lifesaver.
Keep me a secret. Will you keep me a secret?
So we just summited our final hike. Took us a lot less than we expected. Apparently it's 3 to 4 hours, and we summited in less than an hour, so it'll probably take us about 45 minutes to get down, but This was an amazing hike, and these 2.5 months have been incredible. And to kind of be the last day of intense activity, you know, it's a little bittersweet to see it coming to an end. You know, and it's been beautiful to be able to share it with these guys for the last couple of weeks. You know, they've stayed strong. We're gonna have tough hikes here in Iceland and Norway, but these guys stuck with me and beat me through it the entire time. So I don't know, I'm at a loss for words, but it's been a beautiful couple of weeks with you guys. So thank you.
It was a great trip and great to share it with you guys. Love you.
There's a little bit of family love there. And here's the hike, or here's the falls right behind us. This is amazing.
How's it going over there? I got some things you wanna hear. It's been a while since we split. I've been trying to forget. I'm not like you left me. I'm not saying sorry. Oh, come down off your pedestal, baby.
So this is the restaurant we were supposed to go to on Wednesday night. That is the restaurant that we went to. And this is how good the food looks here.
How's it going over there? I got some things you wanna hear. It's been a while since we split. I've been trying to forget. I'm not like you left me. I'm not saying sorry. Oh, come down off your pedestal, baby. Maybe we can keep it a secret.
So we figured, oh, we'll just hike up to this hot river here. And this is so cool. We were feeling the water as we were coming up. It was about a 3-kilometer walk. And it was like maybe 20 degrees. We're like, oh, I don't know if this is really gonna be that cool. But once we got up here, you can just see the steam off of the entire river.
How's it going over there? I got some things you wanna hear. It's been a while since we split. I've been trying to forget. I'm not like you left me. I'm not saying sorry. Oh, come down off your pedestal, baby. Maybe we can keep it a secret.
So we just boarded our flight to Toronto. This pretty much ends my 2.5 months in Europe. It's been almost 75 days now since I was last in Canada. You know, it's had its ups and downs. There have been times when I've wanted to go home, but there have also been times where I've wanted to extend parts of the trip. In Italy, of all places, I spent 2.5 weeks there. Didn't even plan to go to Sicily. So many beautiful places that I've been to. So, you know, this has probably been the best 2.5 months of my life. But I'm ready to go home now. I graduate school next week. I go to New York literally 1 hour after graduation. This is gonna be pretty cool, and it's gonna be a lot of fun.
How's it going over there? I got some things you wanna hear. It's been a while since we split. I've been trying to forget. I'm not like